how to verify your age on Roblox. So I'm going to explain how this works. You just want to open up the Roblox website, then you will click on the gear icon in the top right and go into settings. Now here from within the account info page, you will see age group, and this is going to be currently set as checked for me because I've already verified my age. But what are your options in order to verify your age? So here you will see an option to begin the verification, and you have two options of verifying actually. The first one is going to be a selfie. So it's going to estimate your age based on the selfie you provide. So it's going to ask you for a real-time selfie, and it's going to estimate how old you are and put you in an age group. The other way of how you can verify your age more precisely is going to be if you provide a government issued ID. So for example, if you have a driver's license, if you have just a regular ID, government issued ID, you will need to scan that, and that way it's going to detect your birthday, so exact birthday, and that way it's going to put you in the correct age group. So those are your options of verifying your age on Roblox. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.